Hello, and welcome to the second part of this course, where we will focus on traffic mastery. I hope you enjoyed capturing, and it's really crucial that you first do the capturing part, as this traffic will show to you much easier. If you haven't done capturing yet and you are just skipping and going to this part, I would strongly recommend you to go back, as the way I've designed the course is that I'm explaining the heaviest, most difficult concepts in the first part, which is capturing mastery. And this one will be just building over the foundation that we laid already in the first part. So what about traffic? When it comes to traffic, as I said, it's not free. It's never free. It always comes at the cost of minimum effort from your side, time. It's time consuming. It's frustrating sometimes. So this is why it's so important that you first start with a good concept on your website, with a good capturing tool. Then, when you drive traffic, there are a lot of ways that you can do that. You can pay for traffic. You can do free traffic, just investing your time. And you can also get traffic from various sources. So there are just some of them like YouTube, search engines like Google, Yahoo, Yelp, Facebook, social media, LinkedIn. They're just some of them. And all these ways could work for you, but I would recommend you just the ways that have been very successful for me, and I will focus mainly on the free sources for traffic generation. I know a lot of people on this business course are just starting out, so they don't have massive budgets. They cannot invest few million on paid search. So this is why I will do cover paid and organic search briefly, but I will focus mostly on social media and a few tactics which I have used in order to get leads and to generate traffic for free by creating viral or word of mouth campaigns online. So stay with me and we'll cover all this in the next lectures.